Okay, good morning students. Today we discuss about vectors questions, right? So see here, first one, what is the given? The perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle with sides 3i plus 4j plus 5k and 4i minus 3j plus minus 5k and 7i plus j is. How can you find out these two values? Perimeter of a triangle, that is L1 is equal to, what is the given here, 25 plus root 25 plus 25, that is L1 side. Okay, you have to apply here perimeter of a triangle formula. If you apply perimeter of a triangle here, it will come L1 is equal to root of 25 plus 25, that is 5 root of 2. L2 is equal to root 25 plus 25, 5 root 2. L3 is equal to 5 root 2. So again same value. If you add these two, perimeter means if you add these three, L1 plus L2 plus L3, three sides, so we get 3 root 50, that is root of 450. Which option? First option. Okay. Next we go for second problem. If the position vectors of the vertices of a triangle, be 2i plus 4j minus k, 4i plus 5j plus k and 3i plus 6j minus 3k, then the triangle is. First of all, you have to find out all three vectors. First take vector A is equal to what? 2i plus j plus 2k. First you have to find out its magnitude. If you find out its magnitude means 4 plus 1 plus 4, we get root 9 means 3. So similarly next vector B is also you have to find out magnitude. If you find out magnitude means 16 plus 25 plus 1. So we get vector B value. 1 minute. Here you have to find out the you have to find out the position vectors of vertex of a triangle 2i plus 4j minus k, 4i plus 5j plus k and 3i plus 6j minus 3k. Then the triangle is. So here you can find out here vector AB first and vector BC and vector CA. You have to find out these three values. Vector AB means you have to take that one, vector OB minus OA, and vector OB means OC means OC minus OB, and vector CA means vector OA minus vector OC. Okay. So here first one take OA vector, this second one take OB vector, third one take OC vector. Okay. Now you can substitute here. We get first one what, 2i plus j plus 2k. If you find out magnitude, we get 3. Similarly, if you find out second one, vector B is equal to, we get root 18. Similarly, you have to find out third one. Here we get vector C is equal to what, 3. So if you observe these three values here, these two values are same, third one is different. If two sides are equal, third one is different, mean then it is called what, isosceles triangle. Okay, that is D option. Understood? Next, third one. If one side of a square be represented by the vector 3i plus 4j plus 5k, then area of a square is. So first of all, area of a square, first you have to find out magnitude, that one given vector. If you find out magnitude, we get 9 plus 16 plus 25. So we get actually 5 root 2. So but area of a square formula, what is the vector A, magnitude of vector A square, that is 5 root 2 square. So we get 25 into 2. 25 into 2 is 50. Option D. Okay. Next, fourth one, if vector A equal to 2i plus 2j minus k and magnitude of vector x into vector A equal to 1 is given, then the x value you can find out. So here you can take separately vector A x dot magnitude of vector A equal to 1. You have to find out magnitude of vector A value, that is root of 4 square, 2 square, 2 square. 1 means 1 we get, actually we get 9, root 9 is 3. So if you take 3 that side, it is divisible by 3, that is 1 by 3. Here you can take plus or minus. So that is which option? First option. Okay. Next we go for fifth problem. Which of the following is not a unit vector for all values of theta? In this, which one is not unit vector they are asking. So here you can observe that one. If we square this one, we get 1 only. If we square this one, again we can get only. But if we square means again we get 1 only. Here if you apply magnitude, we get actually cos square theta plus sin square theta. Again we get 1. If you apply magnitude means again here means sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here if you apply the square means magnitude applied to cos square theta plus sin square theta, again this is 1. Okay. So all threes are unit vector only, but fourth one is not 1 because here 2 theta is there, here theta is there. Totally different. Okay. So that's why fifth one is C option. Next, sixth one. If vector A plus vector B bisects the angle between vector A and vector B, then vector A and vector B are. Okay, see here when they given equal in magnitude, as bisect means you have to remember always equal in magnitude. Okay, bisector means always you have to remember that one, equal in magnitude. So when you get equal in magnitude, automatically we get vector A plus vector B divided by root 2. That is it, vector magnitude of vector equal to magnitude of vector. Bisector exactly middle 2 parts correctly divide madara. So that's why here C option. Okay. Next, seventh one. If vector A equal to I plus 2j plus 2k and vector B equal to 3i plus 6j plus 2k, then vector in the direction of A and having magnitude as vector B is, right, magnitude of vector B into A cap. They asking, you can find out this value. Here means magnitude of vector B means, if you find out magnitude of vector B means 9 plus 36 plus 4 into A cap. A cap under we know that already it is unit vector formula, that is I plus 2j plus 2k divided by root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So we get here 7, 36 plus 4, 49, root 49 is 7, I plus 2j plus 2k divided by this is root 9 means 3. So finally we get 7 by 3 of I plus 2j plus 2k, that is B option. Okay. 8th one, if P equal to 7i minus 2j plus 3k and Q equal to 3i plus j plus 5k, then magnitude of P minus 2q. You have to find out magnitude of P minus 2q. So first of all, you have to find out P minus 2q. What is their P value? 7i minus 2j plus 3k minus 2 into Q value is 3i plus j plus 5k. If you simplify 7 minus if 6 we get I minus 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 j minus 4j. Next 3 minus 10k, that is minus 7k. If you find out now magnitude of 2k, we get 1 plus 16 plus 49. So we get root 66. That is option D. Right? Next, question number 9. Let vector A equal to I be a vector which makes an angle of 120 degree with a unit vector B, then the unit vector A plus B is. Okay. See here, what is the given? Vector A equal to I is given. Then vector B is 1. Vector A equal to what is the given? I is given. Next, vector B equal to what is the given here? They did not mention, but you have to take 120 degree is given, which makes an angle 120 degree. Means you have to apply cos 120 degree I plus sin 120 degree J, or vector B equal to 120 degree minus 1 by 2 I plus root 3 by 2 j. Okay, so this is vector B value. If we now add these two, vector A plus vector B, if we add, we get 1 by 2 I plus root 3 by 2 j. That is C option. Okay. Next, 10th one. The position vectors of 2 points A and B are I plus j minus k, the position vectors of 2 points vector A and B are I plus j minus k and 2i minus j plus k respectively. Then magnitude of vector AB is. Okay. First you have to find out vector AB. So vector AB means you have to take vector OB minus OA. Here OB means 2i minus j plus k. Vector OA means I plus j minus k. If you simplify, 2i minus I is I, minus j is minus 2j plus 2k. If you find out magnitude of this one, magnitude of vector AB is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is root 9. Root 9 is equal to what? 3. That is second option. Okay. 1 minute. Hello. Okay. Next, 10th one question. The position vectors of 2 points. Okay, I completed this one. 10th one. Next, we go for 11th one. The system of vectors ijk is orthogonal. You have to remember directly. This is times. This one is concept is missing in previous class. Ijk means always you have to remember that is orthogonal. Okay, you have to remember that one. Next, 12th one. The direction cosine of the resultant of vectors I plus j plus k minus I plus j plus k, I minus j plus k and I plus j minus k are direction cosines. The resultant vector are 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, here there are 4 direction is given. Direction of cosines. One is I plus j plus k. Next, minus I plus j plus k. next minus I minus j plus k, next and I j minus k. The resultant vector is, we get already 2i plus 2j plus 2k. How can you find out direction of vector? Means here you can first find out its magnitude. If you find out its magnitude, so we get under root of 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12. We get 2 root 3. So then afterwards we know that it's a1 divided by 2 root 3 1, m is equal to a2 divided by 2 root 3, n is equal to a3 divided by 2 root 3. Here 2 2 2 2 cancel, we get remaining answer 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Okay. Next 13th, a unit vector makes an angle pi by 4 with z axis if a plus I plus j is unit vector, then a is equal to, okay, here what is the given? A is equal to a plus I plus j is given, is a unit vector is given and angle is given, right? So if you simplify these two, first you have to take vector A is equal to what? Limj plus nk, where we know that n square plus m square plus n square is equal to what? 1. First you have to take these two values. Afterwards, what is the given? Makes an angle pi by 4 with z axis. So then we get n is equal to what? 1 by root 2, because root pi by 4 andre we will get in trigonometry table, it is 1 by root 2 only if sin or cos. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin or cos ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ almost all. That is L square plus M square means 1 by 2, right? L square plus 1 by M square is 1 by 2. That will be n value should be k by root 2. Similarly, you can find out these two value. So we get minus I by 2 minus j by 2 plus k by root 2. That is C option. Next 14th, the direction cosines of vector A equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k in the direction of positive axis of x is. So very simple. Here you have to find out first magnitude of vector A. First you have to find out magnitude of vector A. If you find out magnitude of vector A, so we get 3 square means 9 plus 16 plus 25. So if you add 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 is root 50. Okay, but if you find out direction it's actually we get 3 by root 51, another one is 4 by root 50, another one is 5 by root 50. Direction of cosines we will get 3. But here what is they asking? Axis of x, positive axis of x. So andre first value, first in the x irutte, second y, third one is z. Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? Only one, that is 3 by root 50, right? That is which option? Third option. Next 15th, very important. If magnitude of vector A is given, magnitude of vector B is given, magnitude of vector A plus B is equal to 5 is given. Then you have to find out magnitude of vector A minus vector B. So first of all we know that vector A plus vector B whole square plus vector A minus vector B whole square is equal to 2 of magnitude of vector square plus magnitude of vector B square. We know that the values, right? Here vector A plus vector B is given. How much? 5 is given. Take 5 square. Next magnitude of vector A minus vector B as it is. 2 of magnitude of vector value is 3. B value is 4. So 5 square means 25 plus magnitude of vector A minus vector B square is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. Okay. So magnitude of vector A minus vector B whole square. So it will become 50. If you take that side, it will minus 25. We again get 25. So square akada hodre root agutte. That is root 25 means 5. Second option. Okay. Next 16. If the vectors 6i minus 2j plus 3k, 2i plus 3j minus 6k and 3i plus 6j minus 2k from a triangle, then it is. Okay. So similar, very simple. You have to find out magnitude of vector AB, magnitude of vector BC, magnitude of vector AC. You ಮೂರನ್ನ first find out ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? OB minus OE. Next OC minus OB. Next OC minus OE. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ 100% ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಅಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 17th. The position vector of A and B are 2i minus 9j minus 4k and 6i minus 3j plus 8k respectively. Then the magnitude of vector AB is. So first you have to find out magnitude of vector AB. So vector AB means OB minus OA. So here first one is OA, second one is OB. Okay. Here OB means what is the given? 6i minus 3j plus 8k is given. OA vector is 2i minus 9j minus 4k. Okay, if you simplify it, 6i minus 2i is 4i minus 3j minus into minus plus 6j ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 8k minus into minus plus 12k. Okay, now you can find out magnitude. If you find out magnitude, we get 16 plus 36 plus 144. If you simplify, if you add these to under root of 196, that is 40. Which option? Fourth option. Next, 18th. If the position vectors of P and Q are I plus 3j minus 7k and 5i minus 2j plus 4k, then magnitude of vector PQ is. Same previous problem ಇದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. First ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to find out OQ minus OP. So first one OP, second one is OQ. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Root of 160. Next, 19th. If vector A is non-zero vector of modulus of A and M is a non-zero scalar, then M into vector A is a unit vector. What is the given here? M into vector A is a unit vector. Means you have to take that one. M into vector A equal to 1. But here M means what? It is a scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication is that you can take M outside and magnitude someone brother because of the always is magnitude. So therefore M is equal to what? 1 by magnitude of vector A. Which option? C. Okay. Next 20th. Vector A value is given, vector B value is given, and then unit vector along vector A plus vector B is. So first of all you have to find out vector A plus vector B. If you find out vector A plus vector B, 4i plus 4j we get. Here now you can find out unit vector. This is considered as vector C. Unit vector formula is actually C cap is equal to vector C divided by magnitude of vector C. So here vector C value is 4i plus 4j divided by under root of 16 plus 16. square, 4 square plus 4 square. That is, we get, take here 4 common, I plus j divided by 32. 32 can be write 4 root 2. 4 4 cancel. So we get I plus j divided by root 2. Okay. Next, 21 direct and into the computer. The E form vector A dot vector I into I plus A into vector J into J plus vector A into vector K dot into K is always vector. You have to remember this, right? That is 21st is first option. Next, 22nd. If vector R into I equal to vector R into J equal to vector R equal to K and magnitude of vector R equal to 3, then you have to find out vector R. First of all, vector R is equal to, you have to consider xi plus yj plus zk. Then what is the given? These three are equal. Ri equal to rj equal to rk. Then you can take that one, x is equal to y equal to z. Because if these three are equal, automatically x equal to y equal to z are equal. But magnitude of vector R is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square is there. So if 3 are equal, then automatically we get the answer 3. So implies x is equal to, we get plus or minus root. If x is equal to plus or minus root 3, automatically remaining also is plus or minus root 3. Okay, which option? D option. Next, 23. If vector and vector be unlike vectors, then vector A dot vector be equal to. Unlike vectors and unlike vectors andre we know that directions are opposite. So automatically ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ negative ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Directions opposite ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ negative value ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. You have to remember that one. Unlike vectors andre like ಇದ್ದಾಗ positive value, unlike vectors ಇದ್ದಾಗ negative value. That is option B. These are very very simple problems. Right? Next 23, very important. Okay, here what is the given? Vector A, B, C are unit vector. Means magnitude of vector A equal to 1, magnitude of vector B equal to 1, magnitude of vector C equal to 1 is given. Right? So next, what is the given condition? Vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0 is given. Now you can find out this value. So next I will do squaring on both sides. So now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square. If you apply, a plus b plus c whole square formula, if you apply formula, magnitude of vector a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into vector a dot vector b plus 2 into vector b dot vector c plus 2 into vector c dot vector a equal to 0 square is 0. Next, magnitude of vector a square is 1, b square means also 1, but here take 2 common, we get vector a dot vector b plus vector b dot vector c plus vector c dot vector a equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is 3. If you side hodre enagutte minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ minus 3 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ divided by minus 3 by 2. Okay, very important. Next 25th, if vector A, vector B, vector C are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, then the angle between the vectors A and vector A plus B plus C is equal to, okay, cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Mutually perpendicular. See what is they given here? Mutually perpendicular. When they given mutually perpendicular, you can take vector A dot vector B equal to 0. ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಡಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ ಡಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ angle between formula vector and vector b, angle between the two formula ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ vector a dot of vector a plus vector b plus vector c formula ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ actually is equal to vector a dot of vector a plus vector b plus vector c divided by magnitude of vector a magnitude of vector a plus vector b plus vector c. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ cos inverse of 1/√3, that is C option. Okay, so next 26th last problem. So this is also same method is there, you can try in home, right? Same method. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು vectors completed, right? Thank you.